Okay, so today I want to install Hyprland with a few dot files. Now this dot files is this one guy created them, and he's created a one command Hyprland install. So basically you just type in this one command and it installs a beautiful Hyprland for you. So let's try it out. I'm always game for new Hyprland looks and themes and so on. Right, so let's go. So all I have done is I've created a normal Arch install. There's a minimal install without a desktop. So just install Arch, and then we're gonna run that command. But let me just log in quickly. So after you install, we'll get to this, and then you just oh god, now you just saw my password. That's hilarious. Okay, let me put in my username and password quickly. So add password. Right, now I'm logged in. So now let's go to this guy's website. Is it this one? Yeah. Let's put it like this. Right, so you can just go to his website or watch his video. I'll link it in the description below, where he explains way more what he did. Anyway, this is the command. So bash curl and then the website where it will pretty much run the script or whatever. So just copy that. I wonder if it, no, I'm gonna have to type it, obviously. Bash. I'm so bad at typing when I have to talk as well. Curl dash s https mlw.com/os/stable. Let's see if it works. Okay, there it goes. Right, so password. Huh, okay. So it will install the necessary dependencies and programs and whatever. And then we'll see what comes next. So we can close this. Yeah, I don't need anything here, it looks like. No, that's basically just that one command. That call command. Okay, so do you want to proceed with the installation? Okay, well, obviously. So yes. Okay, asking you if you want to install Yay or Paru. I had a few issues with Paru. I want to switch over, but there is a few issues, so it's going to stick with Yay. Yeah, just say proceed with installation, obviously. You just want to say yes to everything. Everything. Okay, setup process finished. So now, I don't know what to do. Oh, reboot. Is it sudo reboot? Yeah, reboot, and then we're gonna run. Let's just see what happens. Right, let's log in. Is it username, password? Okay, a question mark. What is that for? So in this document, he said start Hyprland because you have to start Hyprland. So I think, God, I can't remember now. Is it just start dash Hyprland? Start dash Hyprland. Let's see. Yes. Okay, there you go. So it's a bit of a slap on Hyper-V. I don't know, it's very slow and buggy, but overall this looks very good. So I'm just going to quickly go through this because I'm tired of this now. There's all the applications, Kitty, whatever. When you install it on bare metal, it will show the welcome screen. Now the welcome screen, you will have a menu where you can set your resolution and install a display manager. So that's pretty easy. But if you don't see the welcome screen, there's display settings. You can set it here, and then just open a terminal and install sddm. Sudo pacman -s sddm, and then hyperctl enable sddm.service. That's it. So yeah, I'm tired of this. So I'm just gonna end it here. Good.